This is Anirudh Srinivasan. This is my second project for Computer Network Security. Subject code CSE468. The project is Network Intrusion Detection using the snort command, and we will be simulating attacks using the hping command. So yeah, this is the. Let me just show you the network topology for this given project. So we have a gateway, server, and a client. We have a server, gateway, and a client, and we will be basically in this particular project we will basically be talking about five attacks: land attack, SYN flood attack, smurf attack, UDP flood attack, and we have five different types of port scanning attacks, namely TCP ACK, TCP fin, TCP xmas, TCP null scan, and the UDP scan. So first off, let me start by showing you the rules file, local.rules file. So yeah, here is where we've given the rules. So this is the rules for land attack, this is the rules for SYN flood attack, this is the rule for smurf, this is the rule for UDP flood, and these are the five types of port scanning attacks. Now let me run snort on the gateway to sniff out the attack. We will be simulating attacks from the client. We will need to stop the hping command, as if we run it for too much time the system would hang. Yeah, and as expected the land attack gets detected over here. Now let us run the second type of attack, which is a SYN flood attack. Yeah, let me run it again. And yes, as expected, the SYN flood attack the message is visible over here. So yeah, now let me run the third type of attack, which is an ICMP attack, which is called a smurf attack. Let me run the snort command first. And yes, as expected, we can see the smurf attack detected message on the screen. Now let us run the fourth type of attack, which is a UDP flood attack. And yes, we can see the UDP flood attack message visible on the screen over here as well. Now let me show the different types of port scanning attacks. The first one is TCP and TCP ACK. Let me run that. Yeah, this is the ACK attack, ACK scan attack. Yes, we can see the ACK scan attack over here. Now let me run the TCP fin attack. Yes, now this should also be logging in the error over here. Yeah, the error message, the message over here, which is fin scan attack. Now let me do the same for xmas. This is the xmas attack. Yes, even that is getting logged in over here, evidently. Now let me run the TCP null attack. Now for the TCP null attack, we will be using nmap. Yeah, we will be using the nmap. So let me just go to the gateway. This should take a couple of minutes. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to run the snort. This should take a couple of minutes. and as expected we can see the null scan attacks on the using the snort command on the gateway over here. Now lastly, let me run the UDP scan attack. Again, we'll be using nmap for this as well. Before that, let me run the snort on the gateway. Yeah. Now this should again take a couple of seconds over here before the message gets logged. Yeah, and as expected, we do see both the UDP flood and the UDP scan as explained before, because of the threshold conditions that we have given. Yeah, and we will be logging in the events on a remote server, which is using rsyslog. Let me just show the command. Let me just show. Yeah, these are all the list of log files. Now let me go to the server. The file that we've created here is local fi. Yes, and that is over here near the cursor. Now now the error should get logged in the binary format. So let me just run the command. Yeah, so this is the error that gets logged in the binary format. I have attached detailed screenshots in the report for better understanding. So yeah, this is my project demo for project 2. This is my project demo for project 2, intrusion detection using snort. Thank you.